Hi, I'm Chen. And I'm the owner of Lightning Graphic Camera Company, and I'm trying to make a video tutorial on matching button. So the matching button, you are supposed to get this two button matching together. Um, so two setting button all together matching with this side and this side. We're asking for food on a cloud random light generator. Um, so it looks like this. When you click the button, this, or this. So it's more like OR statements by pressing which button and mixing matching everything in AND statements together. Um, so you press the button with the button manager object void method in public. So click food choice 1, tomato soup string, this, and this. So so it looks like this: tomato soup, food choice, the object when you on click button, and this one down here. So mix and match the string, and string used to be null. And then uh, table choice. I actually asked for cloud first. Um, when table one is when table one current time on 7 seconds down here countdown, with always times data times their time, adding building up to mommy's current time. Um, with one float with one float least number that's not 0 or 0 point decimal something or negative or solely strings and disappearing instead of minusing it, building up to minuses. After building up minusing it, um, uh, when your current time is it used to be greater than 0 with not seated yet. Uh, current time uh, greater than 0. Lesser than 0 or equal to 0. When times it, because when times it doesn't mean it's always equal to 0. That can be less than 0. And not seated yet to put it seated down because it's already count down already. Put table as seat. As soon you start seating, you don't eat food yet until it matches everything with the food choice and the asking for cloud. When you're asking for a cloud, generalize 6 first. Or when you count down, always put uh Never mind. Um, so when you analyze and asking for food, after checking the seat, table seat is true. Table 1 check seat is true down here. Table seat 1 seat is true down here. Transfer the coding variable and game object down here by using this public to drag it down. Um, uh, Ashes down here. Table 1 check down here. Put the object down here. Put this object button down here. Um, game object can be a button. And we update this. Never put int play only once down here because within the while loop it will always put back to 1, so you play it more than once. After it's not 1 any longer. When you add it afterwards, play, play once only. So randomize generates this to void only once. Uh, create the sprite cloud asking for food. Write food afterwards. When you press the button table, um, use table 1 choice, table 2 choice, table 3 choice, table 4 choice. But so far I'm coding for table 1 only. Um, so everything down here is table 1. And give eating food afterwards down here is first sprite. Eating that true is useless. Is any finished coding deleting this cloud image afterwards. When you finish eating, don't ask for any more food because you already have the food. So when I play it, it should work. So wait for around 7-second countdown, and then I have the dlog or print variable down here. So I click this and this doesn't work. encounter which one's order, like the MMORPG game. Um, if it's in order, it'd be much harder to code encounter. So I think I finished my YouTube tutorial. So thank you.